hindi ko masyadong dinidiscuss tong, nahihiya nga, kinikilabutan nga ako. Ayoko i-discuss tong bagay na to
Kung
talaga.
komportable ka.
Yes, very active ako sa isang forums. Nagsusulat ako. Tagalog yung sinusulat ko na love story.
Love story.
Oo.
But that's such a nice surprise about you. Naalala mo ba yung sinulat mo?
Naalala ko.
Do you remember
The title?
the title?
Yes. Hindi ko sasabihin. Hindi ko sasabihin.
Alam niyo to?
Hindi nila alam yan.
Hindi nyo alam to?
Hindi nila alam
Kasi
yan.
pare, when I think about you and writing those things, love stories, putang ina pare, putang ina. Gusto kong pumasok kasi alam ko magta-tangent, so I saved this question. Do you remember like any key things that you wrote?
Naalala ko lahat. Naalala ko yung buong story, naalala ko yung mga characters.
Why don't... Pare,
Naalala ko
sinasabi ko after this interview, hindi ka ba naku-curious kung ano sinulat niya? Hindi ka ba...
Curious kami.
Kung ano yun, like, what is the, at least maybe a few sentences or a plot or anything.
Tragic ba?
Tragic, love
Ending,
story,
ending
ano
ba?
yung, pare, like, that's such a nice surprise.
Hindi ba?
Teka lang. So, hindi ko papakita sa inyo, pero titingnan ko lang.
Kung nandyan, hindi ka ba naku-curious? Kasi ano yun, like, alam niyo yun? Hindi ko, nandyan pa rin?
Hindi nyo makikita.
Can I read the first sentence?
Wala akong kopya dito sa phone ko. Pero sinubukan kong i-search. Kahit dati sinubukan ko ng i-search yun using kung ano man yung feeling kong publicly known info.
Wala kang kopya?
Meron akong kopya. Actually, alam mo, years back, may nag-print nun isang libro. Dinagyan niya ng cover. Pinadala niya sa akin mula sa isang probinsya pa. Si JP ang nagpadala sa akin nun. Naalala ko yan. So si JP, alam niya. And recently, di ko na sasabihin, nag-post ako ng something na medyo mahaba yung caption. May nag-comment doon. Sabi niya, noon pa kita fina-follow kasi ang ganda nung sinulat mo. Nandyan pa pala yung writer sa'yo. Natutulog lang. Sabi niyang gano'n. Kung gagamitan nyo ng Google, hindi nyo makikita. You have to know a person.
Are you comfortable sharing even a plot or maybe a story or anything? Naku-curious lang ako kasi, honestly, bro, I don't think this is something, for me, it's not something you should be shy about or ashamed of. I think that's such a lovely surprise na manunulat ka and you write those stories. Like, for me, natutuwa ako. Kasi pare, mahirapan ako to write that.
Sinulat ko yun for 10 months.
10
months? 10 months yun, pre. Mahaba yun. And actually, the book was this thick.
This thing.
Oo, nung pinadala sa akin. Diba? Pero yeah, you know what? Kahit asawa ko, hindi alam to.
Really?
Hindi, alam niya, pero hindi niya pa nababasa. Kasi I refuse.
Why?
Hindi na ako yun eh.
Pero it was a part of you.
It was a very big part of me.
No, but you were a writer. The fact that nag-connect pa yung gets mo, parang you're saying it's not a part of you, but someone, when you wrote a long caption, nag-resonate pa rin yung part na yun sa taong nakabasa. So that means, it is. And it's not something, I personally don't think that's something to be ashamed of. Like, or you should deny. Kasi pare, if you wrote and that was the things that kind of got you through things, and you saw that people were affected by what you did, why deny something that gave you all of that?
Medyo kasi siya eh. Para siyang hindi bastos to baka iniisip nyo.
Yeah.
Kasi erotica yun. Hindi erotica yung sinulat ko Hindi bastos yun, promise. Yun, medyo pa-sweet lang masyado. Dalawa yun eh. Mas popular yung isa over do sa isa, yung una ko sinulat. Yung pangalawa, natapos yung buong storya nun sa 7 araw. 7 araw within the book.
Within 7 araw sa book.
Oo.
Okay.
Tapos yung isa, masyadong magi-giveaway kapag sinabi ko. Pero actually, 3 yun. Yung isa hindi ko natapos.
Okay.
Yung isa, I think hindi ko alam kung pinublish ko talaga to sa forums, pero nagsimula akong magsulat ng medyo superhero style.
Superhero style.
Oo. Hindi ko siya natapos. Either hindi ko siya natapos sa PC ko or hindi ko talaga siya natapos dun sa forums, no? Kung merong makakita, sarilihin na lang po natin. Atin na lang po, enjoy nyo na lang po kung may makakita dyan. Pero for those who know and sumuporta nung time na yon, it was 2006. 2006, 2007. So almost 20 years ago. Sabi nila, it only takes 7 years para mabago lahat ng components ng katawan mo.
Tama.
So, 3 beses na nagsalin yung katawan ko. So, hindi na talaga ako yun. Kung isa ka sa mga bumasa nun, salamat. Kung isa ka sa mga nag-comment doon, maraming salamat. To be honest, no, meron akong digital copy nung buong thread na yon.
Wow.
Dinownload ko siya. Nung nag-announce yung forums na masya-shutdown na siya, wala na yung forums na yan. Nung in-announce yung forums na masya-shutdown na siya, dinownload ko talaga yung buong webpage. Dinownload ko siya.
For the memories.
Yes, for the memories. Nasa akin pa siya
So it
ngayon.
matters to you.
It does. Isa-search ko yung title.
Nandyan. Sige nga.
Shit!
Ha?
Uy, hindi ko pa tinatapos
Oh.
yung pagtatype na autocomplete ni Google.
Oh. Nandyan.
So malamang meron ngayon, kiklik ko na yung buong title.
Sige, click mo nga. Sige.
Click ko na yung buong title.
Nandyan. Can I read the first sentence? I won't say anything.
No!
I won't say
Shit!
I won't
Gago!
say anything.
Ayun nga.
Is it there? It's there. Look, it's there. Ayun. Okay. Nandyan. Thread mo yan? Sa'yo yan?
Hindi ito yung thread, pero re-uploaded siya.
Re-uploaded.
Shit!
How do you feel?
Gago! Ayoko na! Teka nga, paano ko i-delete yun?
No, pare, for someone to re-upload, it make them feel something.
Yeah!
But isn't that the goal of writing the stories, to make people feel things?
Totoo naman.
Why be
Ano lang talaga, siguro given the chance.
given the chance?
Kung i-rewrite ko siya ulit with proper syntax and grammar and construction, it's a huge undertaking para gawin ko yung bagay na yun. And it's gonna be a personal project kung gagawin ko siya. Alam mo yun.
How about this? Once you do what you're set to do sa mga plano mo, pag ginawa mo, pabasa mo sa akin.
Sige.
And maybe that's something you do for yourself down the line.
Sige. Siguro.
Ha?
Oo.
And
Sige, ganto.
maybe you can share that to people.
Ganto. Pwede kong i-share sa'yo. Alam mo, na-realize ko lang, alam ko kasi yung title eh. Pero what I realized is, hindi siya ganoon kahirap hanapin. Kahit hindi mo alam yung title. Kasi may nakita na akong something sa 2 segundo kung pagbabrowse doon.
Oh.
Ng isang bagay na pwedeng malink sa akin agad. It's not the name or anything, pero it's something na malilink sa akin. Kapag nahanap mo, basahin mo, mahahanap mo siya. Mahahanap mo siya. Promise. Alam mo, patulong ka sa asawa mo. Magaling mga babae sa ganyan eh.
Really?
Oo, mga galing mga babae sa ganyan. Alam mo yung mga babaeng nakakahuli ng kabit-kabit. Kasi napagtatagpi-tagpi nila yung mga storya. Kaya nila yan.
Kaya nila yan? Sige.
Alam, feeling ko nga hindi nila sinasabi sa akin ng asawa ko. Pero feeling ko nabasa niya. Feeling ko nabasa niya na. Feeling ko. Noon pa.
Pare, just seeing how you feel about it, ako for me, nafe-feel ko na it's a significant part of
It
you.
is. It is.
Exercise that one day. On your time. Like on your time. I would say at least leave that door open or leave that window open. Kasi you never know.
Yung era ng buhay ko na yun, masaya yun ha. Masaya yun.
For you to write that.
Yeah. Oo. Masaya yung bagay na yun. At hindi lang ako tumigil sa isa. Alam mo, feeling ko kaya lang ako din tumigil kasi wala na rin masyado nagbabasa towards the end eh. 'Di ba? Pero kung nandun pa, baka, alam mo yan.
No, but did it give you joy?
It did.
You like telling stories.
Oh.
You like writing stories.
I like putting feelings into words.
You like putting feelings into
Yun.
words.
Yun siya. If mailagay ko siya sa isang konteksto ng ilang tao, 2 tao na nagmamahalan, hindi good. Pero kasi, madali sa aking i-put into words ko ano yung nararamdaman ko. Hindi katulad ng iba na...
I feel that, yeah. Tama ka dun.
Kaya kong i-put into words ko ano yung nararamdaman ko and I can make you understand beautifully. Parang ganon.
And you know you can do it.
Oo. Oo. Yun lang naman yung naging basis. Kita mo naman, daldal ko. Diba? Kaya kong laruin yung mga salita and kaya kong iparamdam sa'yo kung ano yung nararamdaman ng karakter. And to be perfectly honest ay mas magaling ako ngayon. Kasi I never did any training, practice. Wala namang kahit anong ganun. It's just that mas marami na akong naramdaman ngayon.
So mas alam mo yung buhay.
Oo. So mas marami ako, mas malalim.
Mas maraming kulay yung kaluluwa mo, yung soul mo. Mas maraming panghuhugutan.
Kung matatawag mo bang skills yun, kung ano man yung skills na meron ako sa writing way back 2006, ganun pa rin naman kung ano yung meron ako ngayon. Mas marami lang akong kaya ikwento. Mas marami lang akong naramdaman. Mas marami na lang akong lasang natikman. Kaya mas marami na akong kayang iluto, basically.
Why don't you promise me you'll at least try to do it one day? Or at least be open to do it one day? For you. Actually, no. Make that at least no. Don't say it to me. Do it for yourself. One day, leave that door open.
Ano gusto mong mabasa sa akin? Ano gusto mong mabasa ang gawa ko?
Anything that means the most to you.
Hindi. Pero mag-request ka kasi mahirap kumuha dyan eh.
If you can put vulnerability, and perseverance in a story.
Actually, madali yun kasi essential yung dalawang bagay na yun. Sa...
Vulnerability and perseverance.
Oo. Kasi the fact na kaya nating basahin yung inner workings ng utak ng main character, vulnerability na agad yun.
Yes.
Perseverance, kailangan yan para sa rising action.
Tama.
Hindi, walang rising action kung walang perseverance na nangyari.
That's it. Pero
Diba?
the thing is, you'll appreciate the perseverance more because you will identify vulnerability.
Oo. Lalo na pag pinagsama mo yung Ring of Fate tsaka Void Stone, no?
Tama.
Perseverance yun.
Yeah. Pero
Shit. Luma na pala yun. Sorry.
basically, vulnerability, resilience, and perseverance.
Okay.
If you can put those two together
Okay.
and tell a story that you feel that you'd want.
If gagawin ko yan, it's gonna be a one-shot.
Yeah.
Ang one-shot ay...
Alam na eh. Alam na niya eh.
One-shot parang ano lang siya, short story basically. Parang gano'n.
Perfect.
Wala nga lang masyadong world building. So,
Okay lang yun.
kapag walang world building, kailangan mag-e-exist yung story sa isang mundong alam mo na. Isang mundong meron ka ng notion. Para hindi, kasi pag may world building, medyo mahirap yung bagay na yan. Eh,
Oo.
diba? So, it's gonna be here, sa mundo natin.
Yes.
Okay. Sige.
Vulnerability and perseverance.
Okay.
Kasi sometimes you can have perseverance without vulnerability.
Yes.
But if you can manage to show and honor both as well as you could, I'd love to read that story.
Sige. Actually, gusto ko yan. Gusto ko yung bagay na yan kasi it's been a while mula nung nagsulat ako with intent. Tagal na.
Share it. I would love it if you shared it. I would love that as well.
Papabasa ko sa'yo.
Pabasa mo sa akin.
Papabasa ko
Basahin
sa'yo.
ko.
Subukan ko.
Sige.
Subukan ko. Salamat, pare.
Salamat.
Thank you.
Salamat.
Thank you. Ay, na-excite ako ah.
Oh, di ba? That means something, ha? That means light the fire, pare. Like, life is short.
Tama. Abangan mo.
Sige. Solid. That's a wrap, guys. Thank you.
Thank you. Salamat.
Thank you.
Salamat. Napakaganda ng usapan.
Di ba?
Napakaganda.
Ganda.
Ganda,
Tuloy
ganda.
lang. Oo, ganda. I enjoyed it.
Salamat. Layo pa ng binyahin nito.
No, worth. worth. Pero, pare, like, thank you for sharing.
Oo naman.
Like, tinuloy mo lang. Yeah.
Oo naman.
Thank you, Like, ang dami mong, But you know, I asked you vulnerability and perseverance, no?
Yeah.
Sige. Great.
Yeah.
I love it. I'm
God-
excited. I'm excited, Mike.
Thank you.